Hey guys, so in today's video, I have this really cute protective natural style for y'all, and it's also a style that's very versatile. So I'm super excited just to share it with you, and that brings me to today's sponsor for today's video is Curlsqueen, and I really love their slogan. To be fresh, gifted, female, and black, and I am loving that because that literally represents me and a lot of my subscribers. So this is just me unboxing it. They did send me this cap that you can use, like I think it's a weaving cap you can use to like stick your clip-ins in just in case you don't have any hair. And they sent me a whole bunch of goodies which I was showing you. And the texture that we're going to be using today is a water kinky curly texture. I've never used a texture like this for clip-ins, so I was really excited about it. I did go ahead and cold wash it with some conditioner, and then we're just gonna install it for our style. And for the style, I prepped my hair off camera. I did some braids in the front and like some crazy braids in the back because the clip-ins are just gonna cover that, but I did the best that I could. So as long as the front is good, you know, it's gonna be cute. And guys, the difference between like a regular kinky curly, you know, we're used to that for clip-ins, and their water kinky curly texture is that their water kinky curly texture is like a mixture. It has 3B and 3C curl patterns mixed together. Usually clip-ins, like a kinky curly would only have one texture. This clip-ins that they have come up with has two textures mixed together, like two different curl patterns, which is beautiful because as like black women or natural hair is multi-textured, I have not met anyone that has like the same kind of curl pattern all over their head. So I feel like this was like a great concept. And they gave me the kinky curly texture, which is like 3B, 3C. So because my hair is more on the 4B, 4C, like mixed, like the type 4 kind of hair, I just like did the braids in the front, so I didn't have to leave any of my hair out. So, you know, we will get the vibe, okay? So what I like is that they're coming with this concept of mixing curl patterns. So when you get your clip-ins, it will blend with your hair and you don't have to like worry that it's just one straight pattern and your hair texture is mixed. So it'll blend way better, and I'm here for it. So you'll have a more seamless look, and they do have a multi-textured water jerry curly clip-ins, which I feel like would have been spot on for my hair. So y'all can definitely check that out. Be sure to check out all the details in the description box. I just wanted to kind of explain to you what these clip-ins were about and why they were different than the usual. And guys, for this style, I am just not doing my clip-ins in any particular order. I'm just measuring it against my head, seeing what fits, and I'm bringing it from one side to the next, and I'm kind of turning the ends upward so the clip-ins will fall over the braids. I hope that made as much sense as I'm thinking in my head it does. So that's what I'm doing. So when it falls over the braids, it'll cover the ends of the clip-in, so you won't be seeing any tracks. I tried to make it as seamless as possible, even though, you know, none of my hair is being left out to cover anything. So that is why I kind of brought it in like a U shape. When I brought it across, I made sure the ends were more upward so they would cover the track beneath it. And for the last piece, I did turn the clip in the opposite way, and then I just like flipped it over. In my head, I felt like that would cover the last pieces of clip-ins that were at the top. I think it kind of worked. You're gonna see in the next clip what it looks like. After putting that flip over, I just added the few pieces that I had left into that little space. And once it was like filled, I felt like I was onto something. So this is the look. I feel like it's given me such a vacation vibe. I feel like I should be on somebody's island. You know, you have your braids in and this nice like water kind of curly look. Perfect for vacation. Perfect for a nice protective style. And guys, this is the clip-ins with just it being washed. I have no product in the hair, and I feel like it looks so pretty. And that's what I was telling you when I did the flip over thing, that you would not be able to see the rest of the clip-ins. And I think I did a good job. Like, let me know what y'all think. But that's what we did. And this is the full bundle of the clip-ins. And as I was saying, this is what the hair looked like after I washed it. And I didn't do anything to it. So it was just air drying and I just put it on my head. So that's what the natural texture is, with no products, and I feel like it looks so pretty. Then I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want it to be flat, so I didn't want much of like the wet look. So I just went in with a little bit of mousse and just like combed it through. I didn't go in depth with the mousse. I kind of brushed it on the top so I could see what it looked like if if you define the curls. And also if you use like a curling product, the curls can be way more defined. But I loved this look and I wanted to keep it very lightweight. So that's what it looks like with only a little hair mousse, whatever mousse you got. So you don't really have to do like a lot for it to look pretty. That's what I like. It looks really good, just like being conditioned. But you want something that'll keep the hair curly and moist. And this is the look. I feel like it looks super, super pretty. It's giving me vacation. I should be on somebody's island. Like, let me know what y'all think down below. And this style was super easy to achieve. I had some straight backs and I literally just kind of took them out and used the same parting space to do the little braiding thing at the top. That is why the back looks so crazy, but I told y'all the braids wouldn't be showing. It looks super good. And now I'm just taking the clip-ins out because I wanted to show y'all a different look. I wanted to test blow drying these clip-ins to see what a blowout would look like. I wasn't like expecting what I got, to be honest, because I didn't know the clip-ins had so much weight to it. When I blew it out, oh my God, it was so much hair. It was a lot of hair. So you do get bang for your buck when you buy these clip-ins. And I love the versatility of it. You can get so many looks out of it versus it just being one texture. And after blowing it out, this is what we're doing. I'm doing the same thing again, just kind of just feeling my way around, adding the clip-ins wherever and covering up, my natural little tracks so we don't look crazy. And it did end up working out. The hair just looks so good. And I was thinking of wand curling, but yeah, honestly, it was like nighttime. I started in the evening, but the sun, when it was like sunset and then it became night, and I just was not about to wand curl the hair, but it can definitely be wand curled. That would be such a pretty look. I just went with the blowout look and it gave me Diana Ross kind of vibe, but I liked it. It was giving black girl magic. I really enjoyed the blowout look. I mean, I would have worn it every day, but it was just a vibe. So I'm just giving you options. And also, guys, you could wear a headband in the front. You could turn your clip-ins into a headband. Like, if I didn't do the braids, I would have just, like, brushed my hair down and put the clip-ins in and then do a headband. And you're still good to go. So many styling options. And this is our blowout. We're giving Diana Ross, okay? We're giving black girl magic. We're giving black Barbies in the city. And I was just trying to play around with it to see how I could style it. And I was looking like, okay, this could be a nice half up, a half down, but look at it down. It looks so beautiful. Like, it's giving Coming to America. It's so stunning. I love the hair. I love it. Really do. It's really soft. It doesn't shed much. It's very full. Like, you get a lot for your money, okay? So I'm loving it. If you like this hair, definitely check out the description box below. Shout out to Curlsqueen for sponsoring us in this video. And I'm heading over to the half up, half down, and I'm just gonna show you, you can have fun with it. If you guys like this video, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give your girl a thumbs up. Every like, every comment really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please stick around and enjoy the rest of the video. God bless you guys. I love you guys, and I'll catch you at another one, but watch it to the end, okay?